Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update or change the language for your Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the language for your Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you accidentally change the settings, so you need to change it back to the correct language. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change or update the language, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu to the left, and you want to click on General. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu pop up, and you want to look for this button here, Language. You can click right here, and you'll see a drop down of all the different languages that are available and variations of that language. So just scroll through until you see the language you want to change your Microsoft Outlook to. So for me, let's go ahead and change it to English version UK. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Save. Okay, they do let you know you need to refresh the page for this to take effect. So I'll go ahead and refresh. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to change the language for your Microsoft Outlook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.